So if we use the length function, what happens in the data frame is that the length function will return the number of columns. And in this case, it's going to be 3, right? If we say names and we specify our data frame, we're going to get the column names. So now we want to find the subset of a data frame, right? So to find the subset of the data frame, we are going to use a $sign, right? So if we go to this name of our data frame and say the $sign, you will notice that R will also give us the names of columns that we can access that exist in that data frame. So in our case, we have day, which will return this vector of days that exist in our data frame. We can also access the other columns and also this last column, which is temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, so now let's say we want to create a new column based on another columns, right? So we notice in our data frame that we have this set of temperatures in Fahrenheit. So let's say we want to convert this set of temperatures in Fahrenheit and convert them into degrees. Okay, so I'm gonna clear the console and I'm gonna say from this data frame, create a new column and call it temperature C, right? And if we going to apply the formula is we are going to say from weather. So this is a formula of converting temperature from Fahrenheit to degrees. Okay, so I'm going to take these temperatures in Fahrenheit and I'm going to subtract 32, right? So I'm going to subtract 32 and I am going to multiply this by 5 divided by 9. And if I run this and I now say what is the observations in my data frame and I will try to run this, you observed that we have created this new column. So just to round these values, I am going to say round, right? So what it's going to do now is that we are changing that column. We are want to round these values and I'm going to try and also print this. So you observed that we have rounded these new values.